In this final part, we'll show you how this flat pack of planter parts comes together. And we'll also show you what not to do. So this goes back here. I'll just do the two sides first. Okay, let's get the side panels in. So these need to go into these joints, and that'll help hold that together. The angle part goes to the outside, not up or down. I've rounded the corners to fit in with the rafter tails. I have it set so that the front pieces and the back piece are the long ones, and these will be rounded edge to the outside. Okay, you don't want to do that. So when I was tapping this in, make sure you don't tap the keys in too tight because it can split it, and you can always tap them in farther if they come loose. This tenon split on me a little bit, so I've glued it back into place. I may have to clean that glue out of there before I tap the tenon back in, and I'll clamp it until it's dry and double check that mortise before I put the key back in. And I knew the rafter tails were a little bit fragile, but regardless, you can't force something. It'll break your wood off. If you try and force something that, especially on a short grain like this, should have stopped when I saw it wasn't going in and just shaved the side down or made sure I had everything clamped together tightly. So I get to glue this one on too. Fortunately, a break isn't like a cut, so I've got all the fibers there that were originally there. Always good to have a glue spreader. And when I say no glue, it doesn't count mistakes. Okay, we can clean that glue up later and before we do any finishing.